Place to go for life to be simple. No tweets to follow. No hashtags. Go to the Facebook account. Joyful. May picture pa nga tayo, di ba doon dati? May mga
Pero ngayon may hashtag eh. Hashtag Miyakalim.
Pero ito mas bata sa atin, kayang-kaya niya ito. Miyakalim.
Thanks, Sebs. After 2 sets of lackluster performance, sabi ni Coach Nene, ang pinakamaganda daw sa kanyang team is that hindi sila nawawala ng communication. At dahil karamihan sa kanila ay veteran players, alam na daw nila kagad kung ano yung mga kailangan nilang baguhin sa kanilang mga plays. And because of that, they can easily recover. Kaya naman sabi ni Coach Nene, all is not lost para dito sa Lady Sailors, and even if they're down 0-2 in this game today, lalaban pa din sila, and hopefully in the succeeding games, aangat pa daw yung kanilang laro at makakonvert sila into a win. Back to you, 7 months.
Very hopeful indeed. Thanks a lot, Miyako. Well done. Meantime, that sells it. Ano nga, remind me and our viewers, anong format natin? Sino nga akyat forward?
Well, nandito na tayo sa ating yung next level. At 6 ang aakyat at taking their
6 out of the 8.
yes, taking their win-loss record. Kaya importante yung mga wins and losses na yan.
Okay. So, ito interesting. Ito si Nes
Tapos
Familiar.
magpa-final 4 din tayo.
Nes Familiar trying to make the game interesting, putting 2 setters.
Single round robin pala itong ating next level.
Pagka ganito, sabay si Chi at saka si Suraya, ang palagay mong gagawin. Si Suraya ang totos.
Malamang
Bako si Chi.
hindi. Malamang
Ah,
si
si Chi
Chi.
pa rin.
Oo.
Tingnan mo.
Pero tignan natin
Tingnan
kasi
natin,
syempre ang gusto mo frontline ka eh. Full frontline. 'Di ba? So, ibig sabihin gagamitin mo yung setter na nasa likod. Pero ito, si Chi pa rin ang ginamit.
Joy Benito says, "Hi, Chi, I like you."
So you just have 2 spikers in front for Cagayan Valley Rising Suns.
Rexona antiperspirant deodorant. Won't let you down. Soraya will be serving. Soraya, of course, won 2 imports. Soraya is the setter.
Well, malapit na tayong matapos dito sa elimination round natin, no? So, talagang kailangan.
As many wins as possible.
Yes. You'll take that to the next level.
Nawapoy si Chi.
-5.
-5. I love chatting with Chi. We had a chance to chat briefly sa aeroplano when
Sabi mo nga.
the LaSalle team went to Hong Kong as their prize for winning the UAAP. Our friend Mikey Romero giving that trip to them. We had a chance. Biglang dumilim yung aeroplano. Naglakad yung malalaking tao ng LaSalle. Yun ang talagang kala mo. Beauty pageant, ha? May itsura lahat, eh.
Totoo.
Tapos ang tatangkad lahat, oh.
Correct.
De Los Santos. We haven't seen much of
Yes.
De Los Santos.
Grabe yung bench.
Yeah,
Grabe
wow.
yung lalim ng bench nitong Cagayan Valley.
Ano kaya palayasin ko lahat ng coaches na ito nandito? Noon pati coaches all-star eh. Yung coach ng Adamson nandyan. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. Yung coach ng Adamson na lalaki niya
Si Sherwin
si Sherwin.
Meneses.
Cool dude din yan eh.
Oo.
Receive muna tayo. Di ba? Ganun yun eh.
Kasi naman yung pinilitan niya si Mami Dulce.
Ay,
Di
ng mami
parang
natin.
lang yan. Yung mentor.
Iba eh, no?
Was,
Ano ba? Ayaw niyo maglaro. Kakami si Mami tuloy. And Brida unable to secure it. It's 14-4. Dawis is on the floor. Dawis saw a lot of action in the last game, a couple of games of Cagayan, especially in the first one against the Air Force, actually. Si Angge, pinagsasabihan si Soraya, marunong na rin siguro mag-tie ito si Angge. Pick up. Saet. Benito. Huli. De Los Santos tries to dump it over. Oh,
Si Saet.
nicely done.
finding the corner. Yun naman pala. Pwede naman palang pumalo.
Oh, sabay ayos ng buhok. 15-4 ang ating bilang.
Cagayan Valley Rising Suns trying to get hold of that second spot in this elimination round.
Odds on the line. Magandang laban siguro. Naglaban ni Smart at saka no? Saka Cagayan. Tama si Direk Barry Smart matalo dito sa Cagayan. Undefeated pa itong Cagayan eh.
Yep.
Underman din naman si Coach Roger eh. May hindi pa makalaro si Eliza Valdez. Si Dindin Santiago, I think, trying to... that lineup is depleted. We'll take a short break.
Ito ang Shake It